Lock the front door, oh boy. Got to sit down, take a rest on the porch. Jeez. Oh man. Oh man. Has this happened to you before? Get a flat, trying to get somewhere, you're late for a meeting, whatever. Well, first of all, don't panic. Second of all, don't be a pussy. Today, we're going to change a tire. What's going on, guys? Right here with the Club Global, teaching men around the world to be men of the world. And today, we're going to talk about something very basic that a lot of men don't know how to do, and that's change a spare tire in your goddamn car. So, you get a flat tire, pretty common issue to run into when you're on the road. What do? You're going to call mommy and daddy for help? You're going to pull your AAA card and call them, wait 90 minutes for someone to come and take your man card and replace a damn tire for you? What am I gonna do? No. Every vehicle has all the tools inside of it to put a spare tire on and get you home. Today, we're going to talk about how to do that. Very simple. Now, every vehicle comes from the factory with a jack, wrench, and other tools to help you replace flat tire. Alright, this happens to be a Chevy Silverado, and these tools happen to be under the back seat here. But if you have a car, chances are it's in your trunk. The factory jack is under the seat on the passenger side in the back. And your wrench and other tools are behind the back seat on the driver's side. Simply loosen the jack. Comes right out. Loosen the bag of tools. Comes right out. In this vehicle, the way you get to the spare tire is you pop open this little guy right here by the plate, use your key that comes with the car, and you unlock this little hole, and you put your tool in there to lower the spare tire. Now you put together these tools here, and these will be inserted into this channel that you just opened up, and it will lower the spare tire that is mounted underneath the truck. Once you have the tire lowered, just drag it out. Pull this little clip from the middle. It's ready to go. Now, before you jack your car up, you're going to use the supplied lug wrench to loosen all these bolts. Once they're loose, jack it up, pull the tire off, put the new one on. Place your jack under a flat and secure part of the frame near the tire that you have to replace, and then start jacking up. This is a pickup truck, so it comes with a piston style jack, but if you're doing this on a car, chances are it comes with a scissor jack. With this toolkit comes this little kind of flathead screwdriver looking extension that goes into the jack and allows you to twist it up while under load. Now once you have it raised up enough, take all the lug nuts off. With all the lug nuts off, now you can remove your flat tire. Now just put the spare in its place. Replace all your lug nuts, just finger tight. Give them a slight wrench down to center the wheel in place. Now you can lower the jack. Snug up all your lug nuts. And tighten all the opposite bolts. So that you get even distribution. And that's it. That's replacing a spare. Easy as that. So don't be fretting, calling AAA, calling your parents, waiting for someone to come bail you out. It's a simple repair that every vehicle comes with all the tools needed to get you back on the road. You don't need a mechanic or a professional to replace a damn spare. So next time you get a flat, understand this is all you gotta do. Alright? And with that, this is Ray signing out.